I'm Krisztina from Olympus UK, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up custom buttons in your Olympus camera. When it comes to features like bracketing, focus stacking, HDR, fisheye and keystone compensation, or even if you wanted to quickly switch to manual focus from auto when you don't have a lens with a manual focus clutch, such as the 60mm macro, then it would be a handy option to set these functions up on a button. All you need to do is turn on your camera, press the OK button, and navigate to the bottom right hand side corner to find the custom cog, which will take you to the button function menu really quickly. Here you can see a whole list of your customizable buttons. So you just go and select which one you want to change, go to the right and toggle through all the different options until you see the desired one you like to set up. If your camera doesn't have this option on the Super Control panel, you'll find this menu just by pressing the menu button on the back of your camera, going to the custom cogs from there, go to the right and find the B tab, and under the B tab you should be able to see a function called button function. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and also let us know what would you like to see in future videos. If you need bespoke advice, we are still running our free one-to-one sessions, and you can apply through Olympus Image Space. Keep safe and thanks for watching.